So I don't think I recorded this one, but basically what I did was I made a diagonal stripe of a lighter color, and then I just blended out into my darker colors. I'm going to add another layer now. I'm going to add more of a blue across here, and then gradually build out, trying to really naturally blend it as much as I can. This outer layer to be as dark as I can possibly get it. This is a mix of black, blue, and purple. And I'm actually going to switch to my smaller brush now and just kind of draw that darkness in with some purple on my brush. So I don't want to like overwhelm, I just want to like add and make it a little more natural, these transitions. This one dry also. Okay, we're going to add some stars. I'm going to use my water again to kind of hold my card down. And this time I'm going to try doing it with my small brush tapping. There we go. So now I am just going to, on some of the bigger ones, just spread them out more into like a kind of a cross shape, which I think makes them look a little bit more star-like sometimes than if I just leave them as these blobs. And you'll notice obviously the stars show up more the darker areas than the lighter areas. There we go. Another galaxy down. Okay, and then we let it dry, and then we can add our text.